Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix iMessage not delivered in 2026. The first fix that you can try is pull down on your quick settings toolbar and then switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device to see if it resets your network settings. The other thing that you can try and do is force close the iMessages app, the Messages app on your device, and then reopen it. The other thing that you can do is head over to the settings on your device, scroll down to find apps, tap on apps, scroll down again to find messages, hit messages, scroll down to find iMessage, toggle it off, wait for around 10 seconds and toggle it back on, and then check to see if that helps. The other thing that you can do is completely reboot your device by pressing the power button for around 30 seconds, which will reboot and reset your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.